Hi, we're Paul G Toys and we'd like to introduce you to our newest creation, an RC pterodactyl. This flying lizard has nearly a 5-foot wingspan and a 3-foot long body. The very first thing that everyone asks when they see these magnificent beasts up close is, do they really fly? Yes, they really fly. Our amazing pterodactyls are biomimetic ornithopters, which mean they achieve flight by mimicking a bird's flapping wings. The specifications of our pterodactyls are very impressive. A 15 to 20 minute flight time on a single charge. A 500 meter range, that's over 1,600 feet. A powerful 11.1 volt, 1300 milliamp rechargeable battery. A sturdy and durable polyfoam construction. A 2.4G controller with a LiPo battery. And an optional camera harness to record your flights. Now, for what we think is our bird's best feature, the pterodactyl screech. You activate the call from the controller, but the sound itself emanates from the body of the bird, so even if you're 1,000 feet away, you can let loose the pterodactyl fury on unsuspecting prey. We have spent almost 2 years in product development and testing, and we are now ready to launch these big birds into the sky. Come fly with us.
Anki Overdrive is the world's most intelligent battle racing system. These aren't just cars, these are robots programmed to battle on tracks you construct in seconds. Control them with your smart device and take down opponents in a variety of game modes. Your experience with Anki Overdrive starts with construction. Open the box and build one of 8 battle tracks quickly and easily. From there, the Anki Overdrive app handles everything else, from getting you connected to teaching you gameplay, so you can start playing immediately. The more you play, the more weapons and upgrades you unlock for your cars. By equipping new weapons, special items, and upgrades, you can customize each of your cars to make them your own. There are over 350 different weapons and upgrades for you to unlock and discover. And that's just the starter kit. Once you've mastered the basics, take your game to the next level by adding more track pieces and supercars. Just like choosing maps in video games, how you build the track has a big impact on gameplay. Anki Overdrive offers a ton of ways to play, like a multi-hour campaign with over 25 AI commanders for you to compete against. You can go it solo, or team up with friends for cooperative play. Want to play by your own rules? Head into Open Play and choose from one of 5 game types. And your experience doesn't stop there. App updates keep the gameplay fresh, bringing you new features and functionality. Anki Overdrive. It's easy to pick up and nearly impossible to put down.
Hi, welcome to Power Up 3, the world's first smartphone-controlled paper airplane. In order to fly Power Up like a professional pilot, you'll need some guidance and initial setup instructions. With the right patience, you'll soon turn your paper airplane into a lean, mean flying machine. Before you start flying, choose the right location and the right day. Found them? Now you can start unboxing. Carefully turn open the rotating tabs that are affixed to the plastic base. After unboxing, keep all the materials together by using the power-up packaging as storage and a carrying case. Inside the box, you'll find a smart module, a micro USB cable for charging the smart module, an extra propeller and rudder, the Power Up 3 user guide, 4 paper templates for easy flying, and 1 special waterproof template. Ready to move on? Let's get to tutorial number 2, airplane preparation.